Did you know Boeing had record high demand in 2025 and it still lost money? Let me explain. So this is a company which had over $600 billion in aircraft pre-order from airlines worldwide. But production delay, quality issue, certification problems stopped the airplanes from being delivered. And as a result of it, in 2024-25 alone, this company had to bear multi-billion dollar in charges, burn cash, and delay their 777X program for years. And here's the real lesson. Demand means nothing without execution. Backlogs never pay off bills.